Hi, my name is Nikki Turner and I work as the Head of Orthoptic Services at Aneurin Bevan Health Board in Newport, which covers both the North and South Gwent. I lead a team of orthoptists and we hold regular clinics at various hospital sites within the Health Board area. These sites include the Royal Gwent in Newport, Neville Hall Hospital in Abergavenny, Ysbyty Ystrad Fawr in Caerphilly, Ysbyty Aneurin Bevan in Ebbw Vale, along with community clinics in Cwmbran and Chepstow. Patients are referred to the department via opticians, GPs, school nurses, health visitors, paediatricians and other specialties within the hospital. For our paediatric cases, these are children that are referred due to reduced vision detected by their optician, or parents have noticed an obvious turn in their eye. Adult cases can be referred for a variety of reasons, including those related to other general health problems, such as diabetes or high blood pressure, to name a few. So I work closely with ophthalmologists, optometrists, nursing team, support staff within the department, and obviously with other orthoptists within my team. So I would say the best part and most rewarding part of my job would have to be the fact of making a difference to a child's vision, either following a period of patching to improve a weaker eye, or the child being assessed after having glasses for the first time. Equally rewarding at the other end of the spectrum are adult patients referred with double vision, seeing two images instead of one, and being able to join these images using a temporary prism on their glasses. So for me personally, I always knew I wanted a career in healthcare, wasn't exactly sure which allied health profession, but I'm so pleased I chose orthoptics. So if you enjoy working with people, especially children, then I would suggest you consider orthoptics. I started my career in Newport, but I've also been fortunate enough to work overseas in Bermuda and other departments across Wales.